I have some trivia for him.
Go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, smile.
All right, Ethan. What are the brightest objects in the universe, emitting
Quasar, stop.
thousands of times more luminous than entire galaxies?
So quasar.
Look
No,
at the
your
wall.
smile.
You say what?
Smile.
You say it was a quasar?
Yes.
Okay, very good point.
Obviously, Dan.
Let's see.
Do you want to know more about quasars?
Yeah.
No, I have more trivia for you. You ready?
Do you know what a quasar
This
is?
celestial object is powered by supermassive black holes at their center, which consume surrounding matter and release enormous amounts of energy in the process.
Quasar.
That's correct. Very good. Nice.
Quasar back to back.
I have one for Ethan. When's Kendrick Lamar's birthday?
Ooh. Ooh.
I think he's a Cancer, right?
That's wrong.
Okay, well,
Not
I
even
don't know. I
close.
don't stalk him like you.
Not
What's his
even
birthday?
fucking close.
Not even close. That's embarrassing, bro.
Look towards
He's a
the wall.
Gemini.
He's
So
a
when's his
Gemini.
birthday?
He is such a Gemini,
He's
right?
a Gemini queen.
He's very much a Gemini.
He's so Gemini.
I'll tell you what. He's very much a Gemini.
And Drake's
Give
a
me more
Scorpion.
space
A Scorpio?
questions.
Yeah, Drake's a Scorpio. Which
That makes
That
so much
makes
sense.
that
sense.
makes sense.
That
Makes
sense.
so much sense.
Blush looks
Ethan.
fine.
What's his birthday?
June 17th, 1987.
You want to know more about
June
quasars?
17. It's
That's-
close
No, I
to
want to
you.
keep
Yeah,
asking
that's
you
right, that's
trivia.
right.
You ready?
Mine is the 25th, so that's like what? Like a week apart.
Oh, you guys could have been friends.
And what
We
year?
are friends.
Look up.
What year is he born?
1987. He's only 2
Oh,
years
like me.
younger.
Aww. Just like you.
What year?
I love that.
Would you want to know more about quasars?
No, I have more trivia for you though. You ready?
Why don't you want to know more about quasars?
This object emits jets that can extend for
Quasar.
millions of light years across. That's correct. That's very good.
I'm getting the pattern. Quasars are super fascinating, Dan.
I know. I have 50 facts about them in front of me right now.
I know all of them.
Actually, it's 100. It's 100 fascinating facts.
100.
You know all of them?
I mean, probably.
Well, did you know that the intense radiation emitted by quasars can produce complex absorption features in the spectra of intervening galaxies and intergalactic gas clouds, providing insights
I
into
didn't
their
know what you're
physical
talking about. I
property?
don't know what you just said, man.
I think it means that they're so bright that it's like backlighting a galaxy it's on the other side of, and
Like a
that
hair
can
light?
provide insight to scientists about what's going on in those galaxies.
Quasars are okay. Let me tell you something about quasars. Dan.
All right, lay it on me.
The quasar. A quasar basically is when a supermassive black hole is feeding on stars and planets and celestial objects.
Oh,
BGX?
What?
Nothing.
It emits a shitload of energy. And what this energy is called is the quasar. It shoots from the top and bottom, the north and southern poles of the black hole. And it's so bright. You're not listening to this. This is not a lie.
I'm listening.
The quasar is so bright. It's so powerful. It's the most powerful and bright thing in the universe. It's brighter. One quasar is brighter than all the stars in the entire universe combined.
Whoa.
Wow. That's
Dan, you
crazy.
hear that?
Is that true?
It is true.
you just blew
That's
my
staggering.
fucking mind.
It is. It's fucking staggering.
It's absolutely staggering.
And
You're saying one single quasar?
one single quasar is brighter than all the stars in the universe, known universe. Quasars only happen on supermassive black holes. So essentially what's happening is as these celestial objects get sucked beyond the event horizon into the black hole, it emits an incredible amount of energy and light. X-rays and gamma rays. So much so, you guys, I don't want to scare you guys, but it's called a what's it called? Hold on one sec.
You got it.
A gamma ray burst.
Oh yeah.
There's a thing called a gamma ray burst that comes from quasars, and it can travel I'm talking billions of light years.
Ethan, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I really found that fact that you gave hard to believe about one quasar being brighter than all of the stars in the known universe, and I think you got confused. One quasar is brighter than all of the stars in a galaxy, not the known universe. Which really calls into question all the other quasar facts that you're telling me about right now. I don't really know what to believe.
Hold on. Well, the universe is the galaxy is kind of the universe. What are you going to look at? Are you going to talk about all the other galaxies out there? What are you fucking Q from Star Trek?
Yeah, I mean that's completely different
anything.
scale.
Yeah.
The thing is, during a supernova.
Yo, somebody in the chat said gazars. Oh,
Bro, I'm going home after that.
whoa.
I'm literally gonna go home after that.
Yeah, you don't have your wing.
Hold on, your mic is so high. Why is it so high?
I don't know.
There, that's good.
Thank you.
It's still kind of high.
That's alright. I'm not doing much talk. I'm not doing much talking.
Bastion Anderson just donated and said, recently renewed my membership to show support. It's not much,
Thank
but
you.
love Ethan, Hila, and the crew. Listen, that's more than enough, my friend.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
That's
Thank
it.
you
That's
so
all.
much.
That's everything, man. Look at this tiny shirt I'm wearing. Oh wait, I took it off already.
Yeah.
So so quasars are the brightest light in a galaxy. Okay, whatever. Dan. Oh, a galaxy universe. What's
Well, there's like trillions of galaxies,
not
right?
trillions, billions.
Well,
Tone
a
it
lot.
down.
There's a lot of galaxies. So
Tone
it
it
being
down.
brighter than one galaxy is nowhere close to being as bright as the whole known universe.
So the thing is like a supernova,
Look more towards the wall. Yeah.
like with my eyes open.
No, eyes closed, just your face. You can keep talking. Sorry.
Keep talking, buddy.
So
Sorry.
it's okay. That's my fault.
No. No, no, no. Take your time. Take your time.
You ever do this on a moving object?
No, but it's good practice.
I'm a quasar.
Oh, damn. You are traveling through space right now.
A supernova, which is when a star explodes, that's how black holes are created. And a quasar, they can be brighter. Like if there was a black hole, or I mean a supernova in our galaxy, it would appear brighter than our own moon, a full moon in the sky.
That sounds terrifying.
Isn't that insane?
yeah.
From like billions of light years away.
Wouldn't it kill us all if it was like directly pointed at us?
So that's what quasars do. Quasars shoot like very high intensity beams from the top and bottom. And there's a thing called gamma ray bursts, which come from quasars, which is it's usually quasars are created like, for example, when two black holes merge, like extraordinary cosmic events. And it's so powerful that from billions of years, it can annihilate the entirety of our life on Earth.
Wow.
From billions of years. And further,
sick.
what's interesting is they think it's happened before. There's been extinction events here on Earth that are completely unaccounted for. And the best working theory for some of them is that it was the result of a gamma ray burst from a distant supernova or quasar. So it could be that any moment we just get completely blasted by a gamma ray burst. What would happen was the side of Earth that's exposed to the gamma ray burst would be instantly evaporated.
You guys, it's wing time. I'm nervous.
What's wing time? Oh, the eyes?
Wing time.
Fly away.
Fly away.
We're
Okay,
100
close
away
and
from
try to stay as
1200.
still as you can.
I mean 12,000.
The opposite side of the Earth would just basically, they would just die of starvation over time because it would just annihilate all life on the side that was exposed to the gamma ray burst. It would shoot up a bunch of dust. The sun would be blotted out. It would just be a horrible, horrible death. You definitely want to be on the side exposed to the gamma ray burst, in my opinion. Although life clearly did persist beyond. If life on Earth was exterminated by a gamma ray burst, clearly something did survive. So maybe
Yeah,
it is okay to be on the dark side of the Earth.
Life finds a way.
Right.